4. We write the following polynomial in standard form. Standard form, we have to consider the variable in the polynomial and go through the power of the variables, and we have to write in ascending order or descending order according to the power of the variable. Now the variable is x, here power 1, 3, 2, here no variable because it is constant. Okay, so power 3. When we write with the sign, the coefficient and variable, we have to write together. First term we are going to write root 7 x cube. As it is positive, we don't want to write plus in the beginning. No sign means it is plus, we know already. So root 7 x cube, then x square, sign plus coefficient 6, variable x square, then x, only one variable alone there, no coefficient, so 1. So plus x, then constant. Okay, here what is the variable? Yes, you are right, it is x. Here x power 2, x power 4, x power 1, x power 3. The greatest power is power 4. So minus, with the sign we have to write this term, minus 7 by 2 x power 4, x power 3, minus 5 x cube, then x square, plus root 2 x square, then x, plus x. When you write, see to it, the sign is right. Next, variable is x cube, x square, x, then constant. Already it is in standard form, so no change in this. As such we can write 7x cube minus 6 by 5 x square plus 4x minus 1. Here the variable is y and the greatest power, see here 2, 3, this is constant, power 1, power 4. Degree of this polynomial is 4, greatest power, highest power. So first we have to start from power 4. 9 y power 4, then y power 3, plus root 5 y cube, then y square. No sign is there, so plus y square, then y, 7 by 3 y, then constant, minus 11. This is standard form. Okay, next, add the following and find the degree of the resultant polynomial. We have to add these two and we have to find out the result, degree of the result. So p of x plus q of x. Okay, we can add in a horizontal way or vertical way. Just to see both I am going to say. First one 6x square minus 7x plus 2. Next one 6x cube. This also you have to write it in standard form. 6x cube. Here x cube is not there. So write here separately 6x cube. Then x square is not here. Okay. X is there. So minus 7x. This is constant plus 15. So here if you want we can write plus 0x square because x square is not there. Now we are going to add. Okay. So constant. So plus 2 plus 15. Addition. Same sign. Add and put the same sign. Different sign. Subtract and put the greatest number sign. Whenever you are adding, just to say this sentence repeatedly, ask the question yourself, same sign or different sign. If it is same sign, say that like a slogan, same sign, add and put the same sign, different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. So same sign, add these two, 2 plus 15, 17, put the same sign. Next, how to add the variable. If both are same variable, write the same variable and add the coefficients alone, minus 7, minus 7. Again, same sign or different sign, same sign. So add these two numbers and put the same sign. Next, variable x square. Both are x square, so we can write x square. Again, both are same sign, so add and put the same sign. So here only one term, so 6x cube. So p of x plus q of x is equal to 6x cube plus 6x square minus 14x plus 17. And degree of this resultant, the resultant polynomial, the degree of this resultant, it is highest power, variable is x, the power is 3, 2, 1, so highest power 3, so degree is 3. So we have to add these two, h of x and f of x, whatever name they will give, okay. So anyhow we have considered two polynomials. So we are going to add h of x plus f of x. So 7x cubed, then power 3, after that 2, greatest power is 3, right in standard form. 3, another 2 is not there, so write 0 x square. Power 2 is not there, x square is not there, so 0 x square. Then x. minus 6x, then constant plus 1. Next f of x, 7x square. Near x square we have to write 7x square. Next x is there, plus 17x minus 9. Now we have to add these two. Okay. Now constant, different sign, plus 1 minus 9. So different sign, subtract the numbers 8, put the greatest number sign minus. Different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Next, variable x, the same variable we have tried. Minus 6 plus 17, again different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. 17 minus 6 actually 11, greatest number plus. So plus 11x. Next, x square. So write the same variable x square. 0 plus 7, so plus 7. There are only one term, so 7x cube. Now degree of this resultant is power 3. So 3 is the degree of this result. Next, f of x plus g of x. F of x plus g of x is equal to, now I am adding horizontally, 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9 plus, this is first polynomial, next polynomial, minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. Okay. Now 16x power 4 minus 5x square plus 9. Okay. Minus 6 here plus only we are adding, so write the symbol as it's minus 6x cube plus 7x minus 15. It is equal to x power 4, only one term is there, so 16 x power 4. X cube, next one term is there, so minus 6 x cube. Then x square, only one term, so minus 5 x square. The next one term, so 7x. Then constant, two terms are there, plus 9 minus 15. Plus 9 minus 15, different sign, subtract the numbers and put the greatest number sign. Okay, now degree of this result is power 4, greatest power 4. Next, subtract the second polynomial from the first polynomial. From what is the first polynomial? Okay, subtract 6 from 5. So what will you do? 5 minus 6 minus 1 you will write. After from what is that we have tried first. That we know the rule. So from the first. So first polynomial we have tried first, and from that we have to subtract the second polynomial. So first polynomial p of x, 7x square plus 6x minus 1. Leave some space and write. Now I am going to do vertically. 6x minus 9. So 6x minus 9. So now we have to subtract. If we want to add as such, we will add. If we want to subtract, change the sign of the second polynomial. Minus as plus. Here plus. So minus. Nothing is there. That means plus. So change it as minus. Now after we change the sign, we have to add. Subtraction, change the sign of the second polynomial and we have to add. Okay. Now minus 1 plus 9. Consider the new sign. Minus 1 plus 9. Different sign. Subtract 8. Greatest number sign plus. Here x. Write as such. Plus x minus x. Plus 6 minus 6. 0. For 0 we can write plus or minus. No problem. Then 7x square. So p of x minus q of x is equal to 7x square plus 8. 0x is the x, coefficient of x is 0. So it is not needed to write 0x. If you want, you can write, that is also correct, no problem. Okay. Then degree of this result is variable x power to greatest power. So degree 2. So we have to subtract the second one from the first one. So first one minus second one. Okay. So f of y minus g of y. Now I am going to do subtraction horizontally. Previous question we wrote 1 by 1, but we are going to subtract horizontally because this is a procedure we are going to follow in our higher classes as well as many more places in maths. So better we can do like this. Okay. 6y square minus 7y plus 2. If it is subtraction, we have to change the sign of the second polynomial. Minus 7y plus 7y will become minus 7y. Plus y square will become minus y square. Now group y square together. 6y square minus y square. Next to y. Here and here. So these two group together. Minus 7y minus 7y. Next to constant. Plus 2. Now when we add or subtract the variables, if both are same, like terms, these two are called like terms, y square, y square. So write the same y square. 6, here nothing is there, so 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Next, y minus 7, same sign, add and put the same sign. So 14 minus 14y, then only one constant is there. Okay. Now, degree of this resultant polynomial, highest power 2. Next, h of z minus f of z, z power 5 minus 6 z power 4 plus z minus the second one in the bracket because of bracket 6 z square plus 10 z minus 7. Now z power 5 minus 6 z power 4 plus z, subtraction means change the sign for the second polynomial, no change in the first polynomial. So plus here, so minus 6 z square, here plus, so minus 10 z, here minus, so plus 7. Now z power 5, only one term is there. Z power 4, only one term is there. Power 3, not there. Power 2, one term is there. Minus 6 z square. Sign coefficient variable. Then z two terms are there. Plus z and minus 10 z constant, only one is there. So z power 5 minus 6 z power 4 minus 6 z square. Here both are like terms, both are z. So write z. Here nothing is there, so 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 1 minus 10. Different sign, subtract the numbers, you will get 9, greatest number 10. So greatest number sign minus, then constant, only one constant. Okay. Now degree of this resultant is power 5. Greatest power is 5. So degree is 5. What should be added to this polynomial to get this polynomial? The same question, I am replacing the variable, polynomial by a number. What should be added? What should be added to 8 to get 20? What is the answer? Which number should be added with 8 to get 20? What is the answer? The answer is 12. Yes, correct. So how you get it? 20 minus 8. The same we are going to do. Okay, if you cannot understand this question, just see to it this example and you can easily understand this. Okay, so what we are going to do after to get what is that number first minus this number. Okay, so to get, so what we are going to find, we are going to find one polynomial. Let required polynomial be p of x. I am going to find one polynomial. The answer we are going to find what? That is, we are considering it as p of x. So p of x should be added to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8 to get 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15. Okay, so p of x is equal to, actually x plus 2 equal to 3. What will you do? X equal to 3 plus 2 will come this side as minus 2. So the same, write this polynomial, the same 3 we will write here. So write this polynomial as such, 3x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 15 minus, this will come this side as minus. So minus, bring this polynomial here, 2x cube plus 6x square minus 5x plus 8. That's what I told, 20 minus 8. After to get 20 is there, so 20 minus 8. The same we are doing. After to get this polynomial is there, this polynomial minus previous polynomial. I think you can understand the meaning of the question now. Now we know to subtract. Write the first polynomial as it. Okay, 6x plus 15. If it is subtraction, change the sign of the second polynomial. Minus 2x cube minus 6x square plus 5x minus 8. Yes, you are right. Change the sign for the second polynomial. Now group the terms to like terms together. X cube, any other x cube is there? Here on x cube. So 3x cube minus 2x cube. Then x square minus 2x square minus 6x square, then x plus 6x plus 5x, then plus 15 minus 8. Okay. Now group the like terms. X cube, x cube, x cube. 3 minus 2, different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Next, x square, same sign, minus 2 minus 6, same sign. So add these two number, minus. So same sign, add and put the same sign, different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Kindly recall these two rules repeatedly in your mind before you go for multiplication. When you go for multiplication, same sign plus different sign minus. Multiplication and division, same sign plus different sign minus. That you should not confuse here. So first you must be thorough in addition and subtraction. Addition, same sign, add and put the same sign, different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Subtraction, change subtraction into addition. That means change the sign of the second polynomial alone. Okay. Now, x plus 6 plus 5, same sign, add and put the same sign. Plus 15 minus 8, different sign, subtract, greatest number sign. Okay. So this is the required polynomial. If you want, you can write 1x cube or x cube alone. That is also correct. Next, what must be subtracted from? So the same, what must be subtracted from? After from, what is there, that we have to write first. Okay. So first we are going to write let the required, what we are going to find, that polynomial we are going to consider as p of x. So let the required polynomial be p of x. What should be subtracted from? From this we are going to subtract p of x. So 2x power 4 plus 4x square minus 3x plus 7. From this we are subtracting p of x to get this 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay. Now minus p of x is there. For example, 2 minus x equal to 1. Okay. Instead of bringing the constant here, we can bring x here because minus x. So 2, this 1 will come here as minus 1. This x will go there as plus x. So x equal to 1. We can write like this. Otherwise, 2 minus x equal to 1. We can write 1. This constant alone we can bring here minus 2. So minus x equal to different sign, subtract and put the greatest number sign. Minus x equal to x. So x is equal to minus 1 by minus 1, that is 1. Minus x means minus 1x. So when we bring, we have to divide, so we will get 1. Anyhow, we will get the same answer. Okay, so I am going to use this method. Can you understand? So bring p of x here is equal to, write this term as its first polynomial as its 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Bring this to the right left hand side to minus 3x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1. Now we are going to subtract these two. The rule is no change in the first polynomial, right? The same polynomial, first one. If it is subtraction, change the sign of the second polynomial, plus 3. So minus 3 x cube minus x square, so plus x square plus 2x, so minus 2x plus 1, so minus 1. Okay. Now write the like terms. X power 4, only one term is there. X cube here minus 3x cube, x square plus 4x square and one more plus x square, x minus 3x minus 2x, then constant plus 7 minus 1. Okay. Now x power 4, one term is there. X cube also one term is there. Then x square 2 terms. So write x square plus 4 plus 1. Nothing is there, means coefficient is 1. Plus 4 plus 1. So same sign, add and put the same sign, plus 5. Then write x minus 3 minus 2. Same sign, add 5 and put the same sign, minus. Then plus 7 minus 1 plus 6. This is the required polynomial. So we can write p of x equal to 2x power 4 minus 3x cube plus 5x square minus 5x plus 6.